DC power supply adjustable, 30V 10A, Eventech variable switching regulated digital power supply with Alligator leads US power cord, 30V 10A. Constant voltage mode, CEV, and constant current mode, CSC, will automatically switch with the connection of the load. Of course, you only need to rotate the fine adjustment and coarse adjustment knob to get the value you want. Extremely easy, it will become a good hand for your work and life. IKococater DC power supply variable 30V 5A with output switch, adjustable regulated switching bench power supply with 4 digits LED power display, 5V/2A USB interface, accurate encoder adjustment knob. High precision 4-digit and power display. IKococater 30V 5A DC benchtop power supply is a professional power supply regulation device that has a high resolution of 0.01V and 0.001A. You can easily tune it within 0-30V and 0-5A. The backlit 4-digit LED display provides a more accurate readout for the voltage and current value, visible easily even in the low light conditions. DC power supply variable, 30V 10A adjustable switching regulated DC bench linear power supply with high precision 4 digits LED display, 5V/2A USB port, coarse and fine adjustments just for D. Adjustable DC power supply accuracy up to 0.01V and 0.001A, constant voltage, CAV, and constant current, CSC, mode automatic conversion and can automatically calculate power values according to voltage and current.